After a couple weeks of break, I decided to get those bush. I'm ready to plant them. I was not supposed to buy them now, but they were 50% off, so I took advantage to get them. So here's my selections, and let's go. I'm going to put all the way of this retaining wall. I already cut the dirt. Let's see what I'm gonna do. Alright, let's go back to work.
Your dream, we were ordering some treats. You said it would be alright. I tried to stop you, asked me why. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. You pressed your arms on my head, we fell into my orbit. You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt the breath was taken, we were about to make it.
There you go, mulch is done. I put this type of lights for price purposes, and I'll see if it looks good. And it's very easy to set up, so I got a few more sticks coming. And then it's getting ready soon for the grass. Alright. Got my dirt here, topsoil. Alright, so today is the day. The goal is to finish everything. I'm going to put a cash basin here and put some topsoil everywhere here. Create a nice slope in a way that the excess water will go in that cash basin. And here everything is dry. There's no water on the surface. Nothing. Alright. Let's go back to work.
You started out to face it, my heart went off like crazy. I felt the breath was taken, we were about to make it. We were about to make it, we were about to make it. We were about to make it, we were about to make it. To make it, to make it, to make
There we go. I ran out of battery, but I finished the seeding. I put 7 yards of topsoil, seed the whole area, and I'm hoping that we're gonna have a new storm. I installed the drainage right here too, so I think just with this catch basin I will probably get about 70% of the water flowing from that hill. I'm happy with that. I'm going to show you the retaining wall. I'm going to do some landscape a little bit. Alright, I'll update it in a few days. Here we are 4 weeks later, and I did the first cut. So project is done. Next spring I'll put some fertilizer on the grass and should be strong enough. And buddy, no poopy though here, okay? So I'm very pleased with the work. Everything is nice and dry. The ground still has to settle down, but I'm sure by next spring it'll be hard like rock. But I'm able to walk everywhere and I don't feel any water. I'll have to do some touch up here and there, but overall I'm very happy. I'm gonna fill up over there with gravel when I have another load next year. I have this mini retaining wall to separate it. Was nice and what's junk. Thank you again for following me on this journey, and I pretty much post the entire work on the time lapse, so hopefully you guys enjoy it. And I'll be going to do some picture before and after. Thank you for watching and enjoy.
I
So all the drainage and water goes to this drainage here. So you can see some water coming out.